Hi, my name is Khaled Ali, and this is my term 2 math project where I'll solve an integral as net change question. And the function is velocity time function 6 sine 3t. The interval is from 0 to pi over 2. And in this equation I'll determine three things: when the particle is moving to the right and to the left and stop, and the particle displacement from the given time interval, and the total distance traveled by the particle. So I start by graphing the function to show how the particle moved during the time interval, and to make determining the answer more easy. So to start drawing the function, we have to find the period. The period is equal to 2 pi over absolute value of p. And according to the function, p is equal to 3. So it will be 2 pi over 3. The period is equal to 2 pi over 3. Then we have to divide the period by 4. So we can be able to graph it. It will be 2 pi 4 times 3, which is equal to 2 pi over 12, which is pi over 6. After dividing the period by 4, we can now plug it in the graph. So it will be, as we all know, the sine function is cross 0, 0, and then will be pi over 6, then pi over 3, then pi over 2, then 2 pi over 3. And now we can start to draw the graph, starting from 0, 0, then crossing pi over 3, then crossing again at 2 pi over 3. And according to the time interval given, the function starts from 0 till pi over 2. So it will end at pi over 2, where we can draw a line to show where it will end. After drawing the graph, now we can start solving manually. And now I'll find where the particle is moving to the right and to the left, and where it will stop manually. The function is v of t equal to 6 sine 3t. So to find where the function stops, we have to equate the function to 0. It will be 0 equal to 6 sine 3t. Then solve through t. T will be equal to sine inverse 0 over 3. The function will stop at t equal 0 and pi over 3, which is true according to the graph I drew. And now to determine where the particle will move to the left and to the right, we have to look at the graph and decide. Above the graph, the function will move to the right, the particle will move to the right, and below the graph, the function will move to the left. So it will be to the right. The function is from 0 to pi over 3. And where the particle will move to the left is from pi over 3 till pi over 2, closed brackets, because it is included at the graph. And another way to find where the particle is moving to the left or to the right is by plugging values. If we plug the values from 0 to pi over 3, the values will be positive, which means it's moving to the right. And if we plugged from pi over 3 to pi over 2, it will give us a negative values, it means it moves to the left. And now we'll find the particle displacement from the given time interval and the final position. if s of 0 equal to 3. To find the displacement, we have to integrate the velocity with respect to time. So the integration will be from 0 to pi over 2. The function is 6 sine 3t. And using the calculator, we will find that the integration will be equal to 2, which is the displacement. And to find the final position, we only have to add this to the displacement plus the given s of 0, which is 3. 2 plus 3, which will be equal to 5, which is the final position. And now for the last thing that I will find is the particle total distance traveled. To find the total distance traveled by the particle, we only have to take the absolute value. So it will be from 0 to pi over 2, absolute value of 6 sine 3t. And it will be equal to 6 using the calculator. And this is the end of my term 2 math project. Thank you for listening.